Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Learning. In today's video, we are going to cover if there is a need to default the billing transaction type, so-called the AR receivable transaction type against the order type. In previous session, we covered this requirement to achieve via pre-transformation rule. Now, in today's demo, we'll see how we can achieve the and utilize the order management extensions to default the billing transaction type against the order type. To achieve that, I have to go to setup and maintenance and go to task, and under task we have to go to search. So for this demo, I have already created the code for the extension, which I am going to share with you in the description below. You can copy and you can customize based on your. For that, first you have to search the manage extensions. So I have created the extensions for that. So you have to go to the task order management extensions. Under the order management extensions, I have created extensions for AR transaction type to default based on order type. So I have created this code. I use the OPS system. So basically, you can add your other source system. So I have chosen the OPS. So in Fusion, all these sales order created within Fusion system, the source system will be utilized as a OPS. If you go below, then you can see we have also written the code over here. What we mentioned that we are throwing the error if under this lookup the configuration is not available, then it will throw an error while creating the sales order, so that user can go and directly configure the mapping within that lookup. We'll discuss about more this lookup. Now, if you go to the below, and you can see this complete entire code I have written. Now, this code I will publish to the video description, which you can customize further based on your business need. To activate and utilize the extension, you have to always validate it. And for this extension, you must be knowing the Java codes and about the extensions. Otherwise, it's quite difficult for you to update and manage the extensions. Functionality is given by the Oracle that if you are having certain conditions in a business where business want to have the custom attributes to be updated, then you can utilize this extension. If you want to invoke certain services, then you can also utilize this extensions. I have validated it and now I have saved and closed. To have it, you have to activate it, and also you have to see whether you want to have this extension to be activate while creating on the start of submission request, or on the end of submission request, or on the save. So while user will save, then it will activate, or user will submit the sales order creation, then it will prompt the error or activate it, or the submission of the request. So based on your business need, you can configure accordingly. Now, after that, save and close. After that, you have to go to the manage common lookups. Under the manage common lookups, you have to define. So I have already defined my lookup. OM order billing transaction type, which we just talk about in the extension discussion. So we have mentioned this lookup. So my extension is driving all these values and defaulting while creating the sales order from this lookup reference. So you have to create accordingly. You can put your own name based on your business need. Now we have created the lookup code. So lookup code is your running number, and then you have to enable the lookup value, and then you can put the start date if you want, otherwise leave it. And then under the meaning, you have to enter the order type, consider with the prefix your source system, and then description, you have to mention your invoice, receivable transaction type. As tag, you have to use your credit memo receivable transaction type. So this is how. So while creating the sales order, system or the extension will use this lookup, and based on this order type versus receivable transaction type mapping will default based on the transaction. So if you are creating the sales order, then it will default the value from the description. If you are creating the RMA order, then it will default from the tag value. And after creating successfully the sales order and subsequent activity, if you are generating the invoice, you can see that particular receivable transaction type generated the invoice or the credit memo. So this is how you can forcefully ask system to drive your designated values. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching.